In this video, we're diving into how to create a legally solid NDA for free, step by step, without overcomplicating it or spending hundreds of dollars on a lawyer. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your business the smart way and protect what you're working on. Have you ever been so excited about an idea, but you hesitated to share it? Maybe you're talking to a developer, maybe you're hiring your first employee, maybe you're thinking about selling your business. And in the back of your mind, you're thinking, what if they take this and run? That's where an NDA comes in. Break this down simply, step by step, how to create an NDA for free. So you don't need to draft this from scratch. You can use reputable legal template platforms that walk you through everything with simple questions. The process looks like this. Step 1, choose the relationship between the parties. You'll be asked, what is the relationship? Some examples: employer to employee, client to contractor, seller to buyer, inventor to evaluator. Choose the one that fits your situation best. This changes the wording inside the document. Step 2, define confidential information. You'll usually see two different options here: all confidential information, specific information. Here's my advice. If you want strong protection, define categories clearly. So for example, customer data, financial records, marketing strategies, software code, product designs, trade secrets. The more specific you are, the stronger your agreement becomes. So avoid being lazy here. Step 3, choose your governing state. Now, this is typically the state where your business operates, and state laws matter. So keep it consistent with where you're registered. Step 4, enter legal details. Add legal business name, address, full legal name of the other party, and their address. Make sure to double check spelling. This is a legal document after all. Step 5, decide on a non-solicit clause. A non-solicit clause prevents someone from poaching your employees, taking your clients, and a common time frame here is 6 months or 12 months. But be reasonable. Extreme restrictions are more likely to be challenged. Step 6, set the duration. So you'll choose how long the NDA lasts. Options might include 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years, or indefinitely. If you're protecting long-term trade secrets, indefinite can make sense. If it's project-based, then choose something a little more reasonable. So think through how long the information will actually matter. Step 7, sign before you share anything. This part is critical. Do not send sensitive information first and the NDA second. Get it signed and store copies securely, then move forward. Tools that make this easy. All right, now let's talk about the tools, because yes, you can write an NDA in Google Docs, but using the right platform makes this a whole lot smoother, cleaner, and just more professional. So here are the top options that make sense. Number 1, LawDepot. LawDepot is one of the simplest ways to generate an NDA quickly. Here's why people like it. They have a step-by-step questionnaire, it generates state-specific agreements, and they have a free trial option. Comes out in a clean, downloadable PDF. So this is a great option if you just need a straightforward NDA fast. It's simple, it works, and it gets the job done. So go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with LawDepot. It'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started. So you can go ahead and just come to this search forms and documents and type in NDA. And as you can see right there, it pops up non-disclosure agreement. So you can go ahead and select that and just fill out the short questionnaire. Number 2, LegalZoom. So LegalZoom's a bit more recognized and established. Why this can be helpful. They have a higher brand credibility, access to legal support if needed, more structured legal documents are available. So this is a good option if stakes are higher, if you're dealing with bigger contracts, intellectual property, or more serious business relationships. This adds a layer of professionalism. So we've got a link for LegalZoom down in the description below, which brings you to this page right here. So this is their legal templates subscription. So it's either $59 per document or $99 per year for unlimited documents. So you can go ahead and just search for NDA just like we did earlier, and go ahead and search for that. And here we go. We've got an employee non-disclosure agreement. We also have a independent contractor unilateral non-disclosure agreement. So there's some different templates to get started there with LegalZoom. And again, we got that link for you down in the description below. Number 3, PandaDoc. So this one is a little different. PandaDoc is not just for generating the document. It's for sending, signing, and managing it digitally. Here's Here's why it's powerful. It has built-in e-signatures, tracks when someone opens the document. You can store agreements all in one place and reuse templates easily. So if you're running a business and you're just like constantly sending contracts, this turns your NDA into part of a bigger system here. It's more of a workflow tool than just a form generator. So we'll leave a link for you to get started with PandaDoc. 4. Northwest Registered Agent. Northwest is more known for LLC formation and registered agent services. Why it matters here. If you don't even have your business properly structured yet, that's step 1. An NDA is helpful, but having your LLC set up correctly adds an extra layer of protection. So while this one isn't about generating the NDA itself, it's about protecting your business foundation. So to get started with Northwest, we've got a link for you down in the description as well. Why NDAs matter more than you think. So an NDA, or non-disclosure agreement, is just a written agreement that says, I'm going to share confidential information with you. You agree not to share it or use it for your own benefit. That's it. It's not aggressive. It's not dramatic. It's professional. Real businesses use NDAs all the time. Not because they're paranoid, but because clarity prevents problems. When expectations are clear from the beginning, relationships tend to run a whole lot smoother. What an NDA actually does and what it doesn't. So an NDA does not physically stop someone from talking. It gives you legal leverage if they do. So that's the difference. If someone violates the agreement, you now have a legal document showing that they agreed not to disclose or misuse your information. But here's what it does not do. It does not protect vague ideas. It does not override common sense. It does not replace good judgment when choosing who you work with. If you say, I want to start a clothing brand, that's not protected. If you share supplier lists, designs, ad data, and financials, that's different. Specific information is what really matters. When you should use an NDA. So you don't need an NDA for every conversation, but here are some situations where it makes sense. Hiring an employee, if they'll see customer lists, marketing strategy, financial reports, internal systems, you want protection in place before they start. Hiring a contractor. This is huge. Developers, designers, virtual assistants, manufacturers. If they're touching your back-end systems or product designs, get it in writing. Selling a business. Buyers will ask for financials and internal documents. Do not send that without an NDA. Discussing a partnership. If both sides are sharing sensitive information, a mutual NDA makes sense. Now here's something important. Many investors will not sign NDAs for early stage pitches, and that's normal. So use judgment. An NDA is a tool, not a weapon. The different types of NDAs. All right, we'll keep this one really simple. A one-way NDA. This is when one party shares information. The other agrees to keep it confidential. This is the most common type. And there's a mutual NDA. This is where both parties share information. Both agree to protect it. This is common in partnerships. You also choose how long confidentiality lasts, whether to include a non-solicit clause, and what state the law applies to. Protecting what you're building. So at the end of the day, an NDA is about professionalism. Tells the other person that this information matters. And if you're building something valuable, you should treat it that way. You can create one for free. You can customize it. You can get it signed digitally, and you can store it properly. You don't need to overcomplicate it, but just be clear, be specific, and be reasonable. And get it signed before sharing the sensitive information. So if you want to get started with any of the products or tools that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.